Here's a little trick with brass screws. Take some paste wax, put it on the screw, and it'll help you drive the screw in so you don't strip the head. That's probably a little bit too much. Nice tight fit.